Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on BECTORFOOD Specialities. Our analysts retain positive stance on MBFSL with a potential upside of 20% over the next 12 months. MBFSL delivered another quarter of strong performance in quarter 1 with revenue growing by 24.4%, operating profit margin improving by 509 bps and PAT growing by 2.7 times to rupees 35 crores. Management has maintained its guidance of mid to high teens revenue growth in both biscuit and bakery business in the coming years. Realization growth will largely be led by premiumization. Scale up of capacities in biscuit and bakery segment along with distribution expansion will help the company to achieve rupees 2400 crore revenue at higher capacity utilization. Operating profit margin guidance has been enhanced to 15% from 14% earlier and is expected to consistently improve in the coming years. MBFL stock price has seen good run up in recent time and is trading at 40 times and 34 times FY24 and 25 estimated earnings respectively. Consistent improvement in market share and strong earning visibility will improve the valuation ahead. Next on radar is Bharti Airtel. Our analyst maintains buy on Bharti with an unchanged price target of Rs 1010 as the company continued to maintain industry-leading ARPU and continues to gain traction across mobility, home services and Airtel business. The company recorded strong jump in ARPU in quarter 1, up by 3.6% quarter on quarter and achieved a significant ARPU milestone of Rs 200 during the quarter. Company recorded strong sequential growth in revenue beating estimate with strong growth across mobility, home service and Airtel business with expansion in margin aided by lower network operating expenses. 4G data consumer addition continues to grow at healthy rate with strong growth in data consumption. Company has several levers to improve ARPU through transition from prepaid to postpaid, family plan proposition, lever, introduction of 5G which would act as a powerful incentive to attract and retain customers and strategic expansion of neighborhood stores. We expect the company to clock 8.9% sales and 45% PAT CAGR respectively over FY23 to FY25 earning estimates. At the current market price, the stock trades at 30.2 times FY25 estimated EPS and 9.3 times FY25 estimated EV by EBITDA. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.